So I'm going to explain about step 1, calculating time allowed. The formula to calculate time allowed is time allowed equal to amount of cargo to be loaded or discharged divided by loading or discharge rate. In the given statement, it mentioned that cargo loaded 20,000 metric ton grain. That is the amount of cargo to be loaded, and it also mentioned that cargo to be loaded at the rate of 5,000 metric tons per weather working day of 24 consecutive hours. That is the loading rate. So 20,000 divided by 5,000 equal to 4 days, and 4 days when it convert to hours, it get 96 hours. So the lead time allowed is 96 hours.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NURUL binti AZIZAN. So I will explain the tables of Laytime Calculation for MV tutorship. As we can see, on Monday 3 March at 1500 hours, the vessel was arrived at Buenos Aires route, and the notice of readiness tender at 1700 hours at the same day. So the late time has not yet begun. Next, on Tuesday 4 March, the late time was start loading and discharging at 0700 hours. So how we get 3 hours? It is by 1000 minus 0700 hours. So we will get 3 hours for time count calculations. Next, on the same day at 1000 until 1600 hours, the late time is not count because the factor of the weather. That means when the bad weather occur, the late time will automatically stop. Next, at 1600 until 2359 hours, the late time is count again, and the totals of late time was 8 hours. On Wednesday 5 March at 0001 until 2359 hours, the time count of late time is 24, even the lack of cargo availability occur. Even the lack of cargo happen, but the late time still count. It is because it has nothing to do with weather problem. And next, on Thursday 6 March at 0001 until 2359 hours. Okay, this is not as mentioned in the statement, but the late time is count 24 hours of working days as usual.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad ANUAR, and I will continue step 2. At Friday, March 7th at 0001 until 0800 hours, loading, time count at 8 hours, and at time 0800 until 1100 hours, we don't count the time because rain delay operations. And at time 100 until 1700 hours, we count 6 hours of working days. And at time 1700 until 2359 hours, have 7 hours that, and it have been at the weekend, so half of actual time used to be count to be 3.5 hour. And Next Saturday, March 8 at 1001 until 2359 hour. We count twice hour because at the weekend half of actual time used to count. And next we continue at Sunday, March 9 at time 0001 until 0900 hours. Time count 4.5 hours because half of actual time has used to be count. And at time 0900 until 1200 hours, we do not count at that time because rain delay operations. And continue to at time 1200 until 1300 hours, we count 0.5 hours. And at time 1300 until 1700 hours, we also don't count because rain delay operations. And 1700 hours until 2359 hours, we count. Time count is 3.5 hours. We actually count half of actual time used to be count. And last day, Monday, March 10 at 0001 until 0800 hours, time count is 4 hours. We calculate half of actual time to be used to be count. And at time 0800 until 1200 hours, also time count also 4 hours of working days. And at time 1200 hours, we do not count time because loading completed at 1200 hours. So I will pass to the next part to my partner. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad RAHIMAN bin ZULL. My number is S5827. Today I would like to explain about the step 3 in a Laytime calculation. So the step 3 explain about the calculate time use. So for the time use, the data we get from the table in the step 2, we get an overall total of total hours used, about 105 hours. So we have to convert hours to this by 105 hours dividing 24 hours, and we get 4.375 days. So we put aside the 4 days and get a the decimal place of 0.375 days by multiple by 24 hours, and we get 9 hours of operation. So we get a time use of operation, overall operation of 4 days and 9 hours. So that is already exceed the time being given of 4 days. So for the next step of step 4, my friend will explain about how to calculate how much they have to pay for 9 hours of demurrage. So thank you, that's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJIHA binti Muhammad JEBRI. I will explain for the last step, which is calculating dispatch or demurrage. The time allowed that we calculate in step 1 are 4 days. In this slide, the time allowed will be 3 days and 24 hours. The time taken will be 4 days and 9 hours. After we minus these two, we will get minus 1 day and 15 hours. Then that will be the demurrage. Daily dispatch rate is 5,000. We need to convert to hourly dispatch rate. 5,000 divided by 24 hours, and we will get 208.33 hours. And then after that, we also need to convert per minute, which is 208.33 hours divided by 60 minutes, and we will get 3.47 minutes. The formula is rate multiplied by time. In the table, we just need to put the rate and time by days, hour, and minutes. And then we will get the total. For the demurrage, the total for days plus the total for hours, and then we will get negative 1875.5 for the demurrage variable.